Welcome, caterpillars! We are in a new month. Welcome to April. Give me an A. A. Give me a P. P. Give me an R. R. Give me an I. I. Give me an L. April. Good job. There are two parts in the word of April. April begins with the letter A and ends with the letter L. Here is our April calendar. It is the 1st of April today, and here is the number 1. We are going to work on an A, B pattern again. I'm going to put a bunny right there. It is the 1st of April. The year is 2021. We just finished March. There is all of the work. Good job. Right, let's look at the weather today. Oh, what is the weather? The weather, the weather. Oh, what is the weather? The weather today. What's the weather today like at your house? We are going to start a brand new graph. I'm going to put a first sunny down. The first day in April today is sunny. Rhyme. What is a word that rhymes with flamingo? A word that rhymes with flamingo. Flamingo, mingo, bingo. Those are rhyming words. What do you think? Sound out the letters. Let's find out what word this is. P, a, n. P, a, n. Pan. That is the word pan. Math stories today. We're going to work. So we're at the zoo. I went to the zoo and I saw 2 panda bears eating things, eating eucalyptus, and they were just munching away. And then I looked across and I saw 2 lions. How many animals did I see? 2 and 2 is 4. Good job. Remember, I can write that out like this. Miss Crocker, I'm going to write that out. I'm going to get 2 plus, because I'm adding together, 2 equals, how many altogether? 4. Good work today. Let's delete a syllable. All right, I have foot, ball equals football. What happens if I delete a ball? What do I have left? I have a foot. Good job. I deleted ball from football, and I am left with foot. Name some words that start with this letter. What do you guys think? Let's say name some words that start with the letter Z. Zebra, zero. Good. Zigzag, zipper, zap, zoo, zip, diddy-doo-dah. Good. Those are some beautiful words that start with the letter Z. Z makes this sound zzz. I think about those bees coming around and they're buzzing and they make a zzz sound. All right, guys, we're looking for the dancing Easter bunny. We're going to read some of these words. Some of them are our brain food words, our sight words, and some of them are letters. So let's read to them, and then we're going to pick which letter to pick to see if we can find the dancing bunny. At, the, J, C, we, K, M, in, like, L, H. All right, let's pick our first one. Let's pick a K. Ooh, try again. Ooh, what word is this? S-E-E-C. Oh, nope, that's not it. How about this word, A-T, at? Just click it, help me pop. Ooh, that is not the bunny. Go back. What letter is this? M. Let's see if it's under M. You found me! Dance like a bunny, dance like a bunny. All right, guys, good work. Caterpillars, I want you to get a sheet of paper and I found some eggs around our classroom that the Easter Bunny must have dropped. And so we are gonna write the things that are in here, and we're gonna write the words together that are in here. All right, we are gonna write the word. Let's find out what it is. It is what is it? A pig. All right, well, you have your paper ready, you have your pencil ready. What's the first sound you hear in pig? Good, a P, P, I, and what's that last sound? Ig. A G. Good job, P-I-G. All right, we get to keep the pig. Let's find out what's in the next egg. Ooh, he left us what did he leave us? A bus. All right, let's spell the word bus together. B. B. U. B. S. S. B-U-S. All right, bus. We get to keep the bus. Let's get our third one. What do you think is in here? Ooh, it's one of my favorite things, a bug. A bug. What do you hear at the beginning of bug? B. Good, it is a B. B makes the B sound. B. U, I heard it. B. G. A G, good job. B-U-G. Bug. Pig, bus. We have one more that we haven't opened yet. Let's see what it is. Oh, I would love to be on one of these right now. It is a jet. A jet. What is the first sound you hear in jet? J. Good. A J. Can you make a J on your paper? J. J. And what's the next sound? Remember, what are we catching in an sound? Egg. Makes the E sound. Good. J. And what's that last sound? T. Jet. All right, upload your paper, guys. Happy Easter. All right, great work today. We found our friends. We found all the eggs that were hidden. And we even found the dancing bunny. Keep up the great work and have a wonderful Easter. Bye.